Anxiety is more than just feeling stressed or worried. It's a common experience that can engulf our minds, making us feel trapped in a cycle of endless what-ifs. It can manifest in many ways, from a racing heart to a restless mind, affecting not just our mental health but our physical well-being too. You might recognize it in the moments before an important meeting, the restless nights, or the overwhelming sensation in crowded spaces. Anxiety isn't just in our heads, it's felt throughout our entire body. I remember times when my own thoughts seemed like an unstoppable storm. It was during these turbulent moments that I found solace in yoga. The practice of yoga isn't just about flexibility or strength. It's a profound tool for calming the mind and easing the body. Through yoga, I learned that we can gently navigate through these anxious waters, finding a place of calm and stability. It's not about silencing our thoughts, but learning to listen to them without being overwhelmed. In the next part of our journey together, I'll share how yoga can be a beacon of light in the midst of our anxiety, guiding us towards a place of peace and clarity. Let's explore some practical techniques to help you find calmness and balance. These methods are simple yet profound, and you can practice them almost anywhere, anytime. First, let's start with deep breathing. Find a comfortable seat. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, then exhale slowly through your mouth. This conscious breathing helps regulate our nervous system, signaling the body to relax. Now, we'll move into a guided meditation. Close your eyes and focus on my voice. Imagine a wave of relaxation flowing from the top of your head, down to your toes. With each breath, let go of tension, let go of worry. Child's pose. This pose allows us to turn inward, quieting the mind. Another helpful pose is the legs up the wall pose. It's excellent for calming the nervous system and relieving tension in the legs and back. Maya concludes the demonstrations with a calming gesture. Remember, the key to these practices is patience and gentleness with yourself. With time and regular practice, you'll notice a shift in how you respond to anxiety. Now, let's explore some effective techniques to help you find your inner calm. These practices can be integrated into your daily routine, offering a sanctuary of peace amidst the hustle of life. 1. Begin with deep breathing. Find a comfortable position. 3. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, then exhale slowly through your mouth. This technique is a powerful tool to soothe your nervous system and encourage relaxation. Next, we'll engage in a guided meditation. Close your eyes and focus on the sound of my voice. Visualize a wave of relaxation flowing over you. With each breath, release any tension, and allow tranquility to fill your mind and body. Let's explore some restorative yoga poses. First, the child's pose. This pose helps to quiet the mind and ease tension. Gently fold forward, resting in a position of comfort and peace. Another beneficial pose is legs up the wall. Ideal for calming the mind and relieving tension, this pose is a simple yet effective way to restore balance. Incorporating these practices into your life can create a profound change in how you experience and manage anxiety. Remember, the journey towards peace is one of patience and self-compassion. While understanding and practicing these techniques is a start, the true transformation happens when you integrate them into your daily life. Let's explore how you can seamlessly blend these practices into your routine, turning them into a natural part of your journey towards tranquility. Even a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. Try to schedule a regular time for your yoga and meditation practices, making them as habitual as your morning coffee or evening walk. It doesn't need to be large, just a quiet corner where you can be at peace. This dedicated space can become your personal sanctuary. For those moments of stress at work or school, remember the breathing techniques. Even a few deep breaths can help center your mind and ease anxiety. You can also practice discrete stretches or poses during breaks to rejuvenate your body and mind. Mindfulness can be practiced in everyday activities. Be fully present while eating, walking, or even during chores. This practice of mindfulness keeps you grounded and helps manage anxious thoughts throughout the day. Remember, the journey to managing anxiety is personal and unique. These techniques are tools for you to use as you need, molding them to fit into your life. With each step, you're moving closer to a more peaceful and balanced existence. While embarking on this journey of using relaxation techniques for anxiety relief, it's natural to encounter certain challenges and fears. Let's talk about overcoming these obstacles, empowering you to maintain your path towards peace and balance. Many fear they won't be good at yoga or meditation. Remember, these practices are not about perfection but about progress. Each day you dedicate to these techniques is a step forward, no matter how small. Backs are part of the journey. If you miss a day or find it hard to focus, be kind to yourself. Acknowledge the setback, but also recognize your efforts and the progress you've made. For those times when anxiety seems unyielding, remember the power of breath and presence. Even in the midst of anxiety, these practices can offer a moment of peace, a brief respite that can gradually lead to longer periods of calm. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Seeking support from like-minded individuals or groups can provide encouragement and shared experiences. Together, you can celebrate successes and navigate challenges. Overcoming these challenges requires patience, perseverance, and self-compassion. Each step you take is a testament to your strength and commitment to your well-being. With time, these practices become more than just techniques. They become a way of living, a path to finding peace amidst life's storms. As we come to the end of our journey today, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We've explored the power of yoga and relaxation techniques in managing anxiety, and how these practices can bring tranquility into our daily lives. Remember, the practices of deep breathing, guided meditation, and restorative yoga poses are tools at your disposal. They offer a way to connect with yourself, release tension, and find peace in moments of anxiety. I encourage you to continue exploring these techniques. Make them a part of your routine, and notice the subtle changes in your response to stress and anxiety. With each practice, you're nurturing your mind and body, fostering a sense of balance and calm. If you're interested in deepening your practice or learning more, consider joining online yoga classes or workshops. Engage with communities that share your journey towards wellness and tranquility. Remember, the path to managing anxiety is unique for each of us. Be patient and kind to yourself as you walk this path. Thank you for joining me today. Continue to nurture your inner peace, and until next time, take care and be well. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like to help others who may be suffering with anxiety. As we conclude our session today, let's reflect on the journey we've embarked upon. We've discovered how yoga and relaxation techniques can be powerful tools in our quest for peace and balance amidst the challenges of anxiety. Recap of key techniques. Deep breathing, guided meditation, and restorative yoga poses are more than practices. They're pathways to a serene mind and a calm body. Integrating these into your daily life can transform the way you experience and respond to stress. I encourage you to continue these practices. As you make them a regular part of your life, observe the shifts in your inner landscape. Each step is a progression towards greater peace and emotional well-being. For those who wish to deepen their journey, explore online resources, join yoga classes, or connect with communities dedicated to wellness. Your path to tranquility is enriched through continuous learning and shared experiences. Remember, your journey towards managing anxiety is deeply personal and filled with unique experiences. Be compassionate towards yourself as you traverse this path. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might also benefit from these practices. Together, we can support each other in our journeys towards a more peaceful life. Thank you for being here, and until next time, take care of yourself and stay serene.